Imagine savoring treats that taste as good as the real thing, minus the guilt and the bad bits. Yes, it's possible, and we're about to show you how. Welcome to the keto diet revolution. This diet has swept across the globe with its simple premise: cut down on carbs, amp up the healthy fats and proteins, and watch your body enter a state of ketosis, burning fat for fuel. The results? Simply phenomenal. But here's the challenge: finding snacks that are keto-friendly, yet as delectable as the treats you know and love. That's where we come in. We've curated a mouth-watering selection of Belly-Burning Keto Diet Snacks. These aren't just any snacks. They're treats that tickle your taste buds while helping you stay on track with your health goals. So, worry no more about compromising taste for health. That's where our Belly-Burning Keto Diet Snacks come into play. Get your free physical copy of the Essential Keto Snacks Cookbook today. Picture sinking your teeth into crispy, cheesy snacks, decadent desserts, pizza muffins, donuts, cookies, and savory delights, all keto-approved and utterly satisfying. Our selection of Belly-Burning Keto Diet Snacks is a food lover's dream come true. We're talking about buttery almond flour cookies that melt in your mouth, cheese crisps that pack a protein punch, cake ice cream, and chocolatey delights that are as sumptuous as they are low in carbs. And the best part? You can indulge in these treats without an ounce of guilt. That's right. Every bite is a celebration of flavor, without the worry of sabotaging your health goals. Imagine enjoying the foods you love while your body continues its journey towards optimal health. It's a win-win situation. You satisfy your cravings, and your body gets the nutrients it needs. So, say goodbye to guilt, and hello to a world of indulgence that aligns with your health-conscious lifestyle. Indulge in guilt-free pleasure without compromising your health goals. What sets our Belly-Burning Keto Diet Snacks apart is the emphasis on quality. We believe in sourcing only premium ingredients. It's this commitment to quality that allows us to create snacks that are not only low in carbs, but also rich in essential nutrients. Our almond flour-based cookies, for instance, are a testament to this principle. Almond flour, as opposed to regular flour, is low in carbs and high in healthy fats and proteins. This makes it an ideal ingredient for our keto-friendly snacks. But it doesn't stop there. We also incorporate other nutrient-dense ingredients like chia seeds and flax seeds, which are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. The result? Snacks that deliver an authentic taste experience, one that rivals traditional treats. We don't rely on artificial flavors or added sugars to make our snacks taste good. Instead, we let the real, wholesome flavors of our quality ingredients shine through. No artificial flavors, no added sugars, just pure, unadulterated deliciousness. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers. The reviews are in, and they're overwhelmingly positive. One customer raved about our almond flour cookies, saying, "I can't believe these are keto-friendly. They taste just like the real deal." Another shared, "The cheese crisps were so good, I had to double-check they were actually low in carbs." Others have marveled at the variety we offer. "I love that there's something for every craving, from sweet to savory. And all guilt-free," exclaimed one happy snacker. A fitness enthusiast confessed, "These snacks are a godsend. They keep me on track with my diet without feeling deprived." Our customers aren't just enjoying the taste of our snacks, they're also seeing real results. "Since I started snacking on these, I've noticed a significant decrease in my belly fat," reported a satisfied customer. Experience the same joy and satisfaction they did. Get ready to elevate your snacking experience. Are you ready to embark on a snacking journey that's as delightful as it is health-conscious? It's time to step into a world of delectable, keto-friendly delicacies designed to tantalize your taste buds while fueling your body with the good stuff. Picture this: a world where your favorite snacks are not only scrumptious, but also packed with essential nutrients. A world where you can snack without guilt and nourish your body while you're at it. We invite you to explore the Belly-Burning Keto Diet Snacks collection on our official website. It's a treasure trove of keto-approved treats crafted from quality ingredients, ready to elevate your snacking experience to new heights of satisfaction. This is your golden opportunity to transform your snacking habits and enhance your keto lifestyle, all while indulging in flavors that will make your palate sing. Don't wait. Treat yourself to Belly-Burning Keto Diet Snacks that are as good as the real thing, without the bad bits. Get your free physical copy of the Essential Keto Snacks Cookbook today.